Hello guys, what's up? This is Ambitious Math. So today what we're gonna do is learn fractions part one. So as you can see, we posted another video relating to fractions part two, but I've decided not to put fractions part one until for a while because I'm sorry about that, but some people have difficulties with the YouTube videos and transferring. So let's get started. So our first definition that we have today is a fraction. So fraction is a number that contains whole numbers, numerator, and a denominator. So basically, when we have numbers like these, uh, it's basically a warm up today. So I want you guys to pause this video and try what this warm up might be. So this thing right down here. So basically, I know that fractions can be hard sometimes, but we just need to get over it and start doing. But you'll get the interest of fractions when you actually get more deep into it, because I know I did, and I hate fractions. Like I had this really really thing obsessed, and really really thing this thing like I hate fractions and stuff. So today, someone it came up to my mind saying that fractions are basically the whole things that you need in order to learn algebra, equations, linear equations, so and so uh, on. So I want you to try. I'm going to start talking now. I want you to try the warm up now. Pause this video and in the comments below say what you which or box which colored box will be like whole number, numerator, and a denominator. So pause this video. So basically, if you roll A as the orange box, you're right, and B as the numerator was B, and C should be the denominator. So basically, the whole number is a number which so we're gonna go over some things right now. So we're gonna go what a whole number is. A whole number is a whole number is a number without fractions, just integer. But this is whole number, but it is actually having fractions. But I know that, but sometimes it's not contained in the fraction, so you could actually realize it as that. Oops. Uh, so the numerator is the number above the line in the fraction in the common fraction, showing how many of the parts indicated by the denominator are taken. For example, 2 and 2/3. So what it would look like is, to us it would look like 2 and 2/3, or sometimes people just write it like 2/3. So yeah, so the basic common sign that we use in fractions would be like a line. You see a line, and then you will have the number, the numerator, and the denominator on the bottom. So in a second, we're going to go over what denominator is. But before we get to that, I just wanted to let you know that everything sometimes whole numbers can also be part of the fraction, and it means it's a fraction. But whole number, for this definition, I don't want you getting confused, because the whole number is a part of the fraction, but the whole number doesn't have a fraction beneath it. So I just wanted you to realize that it's not written in a fraction form, it's written in a number form. So basically, for example, I just wanted to let you know that 15 can mean over under 1, because 15 is a whole number, and it still can be used by 1, because when you divide 15 over 15 divided by 15, that gives you 15. So, or 15 divided by 15, it gives you 1. So basically it should be 15, and most of the times you won't write fractions like this, but you will just have a whole number on the side. So now we're gonna go and look at what a denominator might be. A denominator is just like the same. Instead of the top number, it's the bottom number. So it's a bottom number of a fraction. So as you can see, these might be a little confusing, but they actually get you into your mind. They kind of go and dissolve. I don't know what's the other word to use. They kind of go and actually you can actually start understanding them better. So right now you're gonna learn the pizzas method. The pizzas method is actually an easier method of doing stuff. So most of the time, pizzas method is used basically for like a whole lot of reasons. Like pizza's method is pizza is one of the most common things that it will be used in fraction because that's just how it is. And pizza is a circle, so circles will mainly be used in this type of fractions. So whenever you sorry guys, I didn't color it in right. I was too lazy to do it. So you know how lazy people are these days. So uh, basically I colored this in maybe half of it. So I want to color this in right now. Okay, so this is a whole. Most of the time, you will see people calling like a single pizza a whole. So let's say that you are getting a pizza for your family tonight, and this is a one whole pizza. So let's say that you and your friend are eating so like a pizza contest or something, a pizza challenge, and you get half of the slice, and so does your friend. So you are eating half of this slice. So half of this slice, this side, it's so you can realize me saying that it's a half. One half is when it's written like this. I just don't want people getting messed with this when I say a half, because half is basically meaning that it is this type of number. So you ate a half pizza, and your friend did. So another side of the pizza. Let's say that you're waiting for your friend, and he's walking to your home or something. I don't know. Or let's say that your parents, you and your sister or brother are having a half, and your parents are having another half. Your parents are right now currently at work, and your brothers or sisters ate the half of the pizza. So just realize that it's not going to be like one and one half. It's just a half. So when I go to one fourth, it will basically be like the same thing, except it will have four slices. So let's say the one is for your sister, one is for your mom, one is for your dad, and one is for you. So that basically means that one of the pizzas are gone, which you ate it. You were so eager, let's say like that. I'm sorry, but I like pizzas. So you're so eager to eat your pizza, and you ate this half, and you're still waiting for your sister to get her homework done, and her your parents to get back from home. Realize when I color this in, when I actually colored this in, realize that there's four slices. So that's what becomes your denominator for this type of number. And your numerator is one, because one slice of the pizza out of the four slices is been eaten. So let's say now that your dad's at work, your mom, your sister, and you ate a pizza, but there's still one piece left. So you're going to write the shaded numbers in for here, and you're going to use that as so. There's three shaded, three eaten pizzas out of four. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you actually learned something. Please in the comments below, I see really good comments, so please we will also try to make up the good work that you guys actually like. We also read your comments. Please write down your answers, and you may submit them now if you have done so. Thank you.